Hello everyone, we're back with another thrilling video for you. This time, we're diving into the most shocking, jaw-dropping moments in nature. Events so rare and unbelievable, they'll leave you questioning reality. From nature's most explosive displays, these are the moments you have to see to believe. If they weren't caught on camera, you'd never think they were real. So sit back, relax, and get ready to witness nature's most astonishing spectacles, captured like never before. Seen from an airplane in Los Angeles, the Palisades forest fire looks like a flow of lava spreading everywhere. A majestic, but also haunting sight.
Даша, смотри! На дорогу, Даша!
Смотри на дорогу!
Да я вижу дорогу! Даша, смотри на дорогу! Нормально все у нас.
Oh my god, that looks terrifying.
Езжай.
Look at this, a rare and mesmerizing fire tornado. Scorching flames collide with powerful winds, creating this jaw-dropping display of nature's raw and unpredictable power. This monstrous tornado tearing through the town, ripping apart everything in its path, as debris fills the sky and chaos erupts at every turn.
Oh shit! Oh shit. Watch out, Zach. It's gonna spin over.
There's the doggy.
How
was that ride?
Oh my god. I am so confused. How did this dog get inside the tree? This is truly unbelievable.
Hey, and I'm okay.
Be careful, God.
Watch as this tiny crab skillfully creates its burrow in the sand.
Holy look at that, bro. Have a look at it. Look at that. Oh,
This tree was struck by lightning, leaving behind an awe-inspiring scene.
Oh, there comes a limb man.
oh, crap.
Wow.
Wow.
I've never seen a tree like this.
Wow, those are visibly pink. Holy moly. Oh my god, look at over here. Holy. That is nuts.
Experience the amazing northern lights as they sweep across the Alaskan sky, lighting it up with dazzling greens and purples, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's magic.
No! Holy no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Can you guess what it is?
Where are you gonna throw it? Oh! Whoa, dude!
While cycling on a mountain trail, these riders were suddenly swarmed by a group of bees. In Bangladesh, this house is being destroyed by the heavy accumulation of monsoon rainwater. Villagers stand watching in shock, realizing there's nothing they can do to stop nature's power. On September 16, 2024, a powerful earthquake hit Indonesia, triggering panic and chaos. CCTV footage from a restaurant captures the moment diners rush for safety as the ground shakes violently. This lightning strike is incredibly powerful and bright.
Oh, that just, oh my gosh.
Behold the glory of God. On one side, rain pours down, while on the other, the sky is perfectly clear. It's a breathtaking testament to the beauty and wonder of nature. Look at this incredible sight. Massive clouds resting on the mountaintop, slowly drifting as if they're embracing the peak. Their gentle movement creates a truly magical moment, as if the earth and sky are meeting in perfect harmony. Watch this incredible scene from Iceland, where a worker uses an excavator to try and stop the flow of lava. A remarkable display of human determination against nature's fiery force. Wow, this is incredible.
Olha se tiver, gente. Olha que doideira.
A dramatic rock slide shakes the peaceful hills of Sutorno, Brazil, with massive boulders crashing dangerously close to an old train line. Fortunately, no injuries or damage to homes were reported, but the event has left residents in awe of nature's immense power.
Okay.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
These cows had a close call with nature's fury, narrowly escaping a sudden rock slide. What a terrifying landslide that was. Take a look at this powerful tornado that hit China in 2013, leaving widespread destruction in its wake.
有这声音不得？哎呦！那家全陷了。
This tornado is absolutely enormous. On May 4th, a devastating flood swept through the town of Montebello, carrying entire houses with it. This car is struggling amid floodwaters in Portugal. Power of nature is amazing. In July 2024, a devastating flash flood swept through a residential area in Kyrgyzstan, leaving destruction in its wake.
Gelen arabalara bak. Amına kodum arabaları koy bakalım. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed these shocking moments, make sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping footages, hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Until next time, stay safe and curious.